Quick Learning. Today we will be discussing a continuous manufacturing excellence roadmap through cultural transformation for a reference company. And the purpose of this video is if you want to implement continuous manufacturing excellence, what are the steps and what is the most easy and effective roadmap for this manufacturing excellence implementation. So we will be starting through discussion of some steps that are required. So let's start. So this is the basic picture of the roadmap for continuous manufacturing excellence. Excellence is not just a destination, it's a journey. Embracing a philosophy of continuous improvement means constantly seeking opportunities to enhance process efficiency, eliminate waste, and optimize performance. So, the first step is leadership commitment and employee awareness. The next is people engagement and trainings. Next one is waste elimination. Then we have 5S methodology. Then Kaizen events, standard work procedures, visual management, sustainability integration, value stream mapping, technology integration, overall equipment effectiveness OEE and improvement, periodic audits and reviews, and the last but not the least, continuous learning benchmarking. So these are the basic 12 to 15 steps that are required to implement continuous manufacturing excellence in your organization. So let's discuss briefly each one of these, that how these steps are implemented and what will be the goals and objectives of each step. So the first one is leadership commitment and employee awareness. In this we will have the assessment of current processes and we will be identifying the inefficiencies and areas for improvements. The next one is setting clear goals and objectives for implementing continual excellence and lean principles. Then the most important is gaining the commitment and support from top management to ensure the success of this initiative. And the last one is establishing a cross-functional team to lead and oversee this implementation. Going towards the next step, that is people engagement and waste elimination. The first objective is to create awareness sessions, to arrange awareness sessions for continuous manufacturing excellence. The next one is employee trainings on lean principles and continuous excellence through specific methodologies that will be used. The next one is implementation of strategies to minimize waste generation and optimization of resource utilization. And the last one is data-driven insights to be used to identify areas of further improvement and optimizations. Going forward, we have 5S methodology, that is sort, shine, set in order, sustain and standardize. The last two can be overlapped. Sustain will be the fourth one, standardize will be the fourth one, and sustain will be the last one. In this we will conduct awareness sessions and trainings and practical demonstration will be done on field. Then each S will be implemented in respective areas. Its interdepartmental regular audits will be conducted to ensure the effectiveness of each step of 5S. Now we have 6S, the last S is safety. So we have sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain and safety. So this is 5S. Next one is Kaizen events and standard work procedures. This is very important step. For Kaizen events, we will be launching campaigns and Kaizen events to address specific challenges to make continuous improvements. Then we will have employee involvement in problem solving and developing and encouraging culture of continuous improvement. Then we will be defining standard work procedures and SOPs for all the activities to ensure consistency and to reduce variability in different processes. The next one is visual management. That is very effective, and that is the step that actually touches the employees very effectively. It is the implementation of visual management tools such as Kanban boards and performance dashboards to enhance monitoring, communication and transparency. So we will be implementing visual management at each department, for example at entrance of plants, at entrance of departments, inside the production areas, performed and instructions related to safety, related to quality, related to performance, related to improvements, related to projects. So this will be done continuously in different areas. The next one is sustainability integration. It is the incorporation of sustainability practices into manufacturing processes to align with modern environmental standards, water saving campaigns, carbon footprint reduction projects, saving energy, saving electricity, saving steam, saving air, saving water. So this will be contributing towards sustainability, and it will be having a very good impact on people, on profit and on planet. So these three P's will be addressed through this. Moving forward, we have value stream mapping of current value stream to identify non-value added activities and opportunities for improvements, and development of future state map to visualize the ideal state of operations. This step will help us to remove those steps that are just source of waste, and those are not adding any value for the customer or for the product. So these steps and processes will be removed from the system of different operations. The other one is very important these days. It is the technology integration, assessment of current technology needs and gaps identification, addition of technologies in processes that will be compatible with existing systems and that will integrate well with our workflows. Then we have overall equipment effectiveness. Just starting its definition, we have discussed in previous videos as well. OEE is the multiplication of availability, performance and quality product. So for overall equipment effectiveness monitoring, then we will analyze the values, we will implement some steps to improve it, and then this will be sustained. It will be continuously monitored and it will be continuously analyzed to improve the performance of machines and the improvement of the processes. Implementation of measures to improve OEE through a combination of availability, performance and quality improvements. Then we will have the periodic audits and reviews. Regular periodic audits to be conducted with defined cross-functional teams, assessment of lean practices, effectiveness and identification of areas for refinement, holding periodic reviews to evaluate progress and making necessary adjustments. Then we have at the end the continuous learning and benchmarking. We will be staying updated on industry best practices and emerging technologies to ensure the ongoing success of continual excellence and lean initiatives. Regular benchmarking against industry leaders to identify best practices and areas for improvement. So through these very tangible steps, we will be going to implement continuous manufacturing excellence, and this roadmap will help us to maximize our profits, to maximize the throughputs, to maximize the people engagements, and this will help your organization to become a sustainable growing organization that will be embarking the journey of continuous excellence. So I hope this video would be very helpful and beneficial for all of you, For any questions related to this topic or the past videos, please write in the comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.